Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to choose in between front and back camera without touching Samsung smartphone display screen. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Samsung Android smartphone. So firstly what you need to do is just go to the phone settings and just scroll down below. And you will see here one option, advanced features, right? Just tap on it. And now you will see here one option written side key. Just tap on it. And now you will see here double press. So just enable this option. And now you will see here a option quick launch camera. So you need to enable this option firstly. Say now what I will do is I'll launch the Samsung camera application. So you can see this is the Samsung camera application, right? So this is the switching from front to back camera, right? So I'm not going to touch the Samsung display screen. So what I will do is I'll just try to use the power and lock button. So now I'll just press the power or lock button twice at a time. 1, 2. So you can see here. So let me click again. 1, 2. So you can see here. So it's perfectly working, right? So by enabling this option inside the advanced features, you can easily switch in between front and back camera without touching Samsung smartphone display screen. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.